O enemy of God, it's me. Do you kill the children of the Holy Prophet who are free from all impurities and then think that you are still a Muslim?
An important character who is the symbol of life is the personality of Hazrat Abdullah ibn Afif. He was a pious and honest man. One of his eyes was lost in the Battle of Jamal and one in the Battle of Siffin. After the martyrdom of Imam Hussain, Ibn Ziyad from the pulpit of Kufa announced,
"Praise be to Allah, who has made the truth and truthful to succeed. Yazid and his army got succeeded and a liar man's liar son got killed."
On hearing this, Abdullah ibn Afif got up from his seat and immediately replied,
O son of Marjana, you are a liar and your father was also a liar. That man and his father who made you the ruler of Kufa were also liars, O enemy of God. You killed the children of the Prophet and now sitting on the pulpit of Muslims and talks nonsense like this.
This conversation was unbearable for Ibn Ziyad. He became furious and said,
"Who is this person?"
Abdullah said,
O enemy of God, it's me. Do you kill the children of the Holy Prophet who are free from all impurities and then think that you are still a Muslim? Where are the children of the Muhajirin and the Ansar, who do not take revenge from the impure people, whom the Prophet of Islam called the accursed, son of the accursed?
Ibn Ziyad immediately ordered the arrest of Abdullah ibn Afif. Ibn Ziyad's soldiers advanced, but the people of the tribe of Azad resisted and brought Abdullah ibn Afif home safely. Ibn Ziyad ordered the arrest of Abdullah at night. The people of Abdullah's tribe gathered and some tribes of Yemen also joined them to protect Abdullah ibn Afif. Ibn Ziyad sent an army to confront them. A fierce battle took place. Yazidi soldiers broke down the door and entered the house, in which blind Abdullah was also trying to defend himself. His daughter used to tell him where the enemy is and they used to wield the sword, finally arrested and taken to Ibn Ziyad. When Ibn Ziyad ordered him to be killed, he replied with great satisfaction,
I requested my Lord that I should be martyred by the worst and the most accursed man in this world, but after sacrificing my eyes in the love of Ali, I was disappointed with the place of martyrdom. Thank God who fulfilled my prayer.
These are the people who understood the meaning of the Imam's words, death of honor is better than life of disgrace.
For more authentic Islamic videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Like this video and leave a comment. Till the next video, Khuda Nigehdaar.